Okay, welcome guys sa panibagong PR Erects. Okay, where we erect at your submissions. Tama?
Yes, tama.
Ako ang inyong host for today, si Gloco. Kasi tanga na unang-una sa lahat, pangalawang beses na to. Si Neil, wala. Okay. He's in China. Okay, he's in China.
Sana all. Bakasyon lang si Idol.
Bakasyon lang sa Paldogs eh.
Tapos sasabihin nyo 99%
Alam niyo,
yun?
nagbibiro kami na hindi Paldog si Neil. Paldog si Neil!
Oh, Paldog si Neil.
Paldog si Neil! Kaya
Hindi na nagsasabi yun, pero there's a sign.
Yes,
Okay, there's a sign.
There's a sign,
Yes,
exactly.
nasa akin nga yung kotse ni Neil eh.
Pero don't worry.
Binigay na sa akin kotse ni Neil eh.
Don't worry, nandito naman si Khalil,
Yes.
okay? Ayan. Boss
Cheers.
Khalil, welcome po. Okay. Thank you sa pag-collab sa amin, Boss Khalil, sa aming mga short na small
Thank
creators
you.
tulad namin.
Small creator.
Idol na idol kita, Boss Khalil. Yung mga videos mo about about dun sa isang
yung mga
gago.
videos mo.
Yes, thank you.
Grabe, idol na idol kita. Salamat,
Thank you.
Boss. Wala, hindi to bayad,
Hindi,
boss.
hindi. Thank you,
Salamat
thank
sa
you.
Grabe yung
pagpunta
makasutan
dito.
talaga ng boss
Kakauwi ko,
Oo.
kakauwi ko lang, hindi pa nagbibihis.
Tama.
Asya.
So, eto na. Unang lapag. Boss Khalil, oh.
Unang lapag.
Shoutout ka agad.
Ako kaagad?
Para sa'yo pala to agad
Boss
eh.
Khalil.
Sino dyan?
Boss Khalil.
Who the hell?
Ewan ko, tingnan
I'm
natin.
Adventist. I don't eat pork. So, bakit ka nag-pop?
I love pork too much,
Tangina si
you know.
Tor.
Pork
That's
adobo,
not me.
pork sinigang. I mean, I was
Sinigang.
about to like let everything go, you know. She's like,
Ikaw pala yung Boss Khalil eh. Ikaw pala si Tor eh.
You know,
The hell?
pork is hotter, so
Okay.
that's what I believe in.
I mean-
I'm the LeBron James of eating pork.
Ba't lahat ng
I
mga
mean,
tao
is the
sumasali
LeBron
dito mga
James.
autistic?
Damn, bro. I can't believe you
You make
did.
that shit
I can't believe
interesting,
you
oh.
did
Why you
Tor
have to
like
say
that,
that?
bro. Di ba nakakalaro? Di ba nakakalaro si Tor sa MTG?
No.
Parang hindi pa
Oh,
yata.
no, not. You haven't met Thor.
Nope.
This guy.
I'm Adventist.
he's
I don't eat pork. So,
Siya
bakit
yung nag-ano sa
ka
ano.
nag-pop?
I love pork.
Siya yung ano sa ano yan,
Yan,
high market. He's the one who hooks us
you know
up in
this
high
guy?
market. Yeah, we play with. What the fuck? We play fucking. We play MTG with this guy.
Maybe I have met this guy, but I kind of forgot what he looks like.
Which is ito
Holy
lore,
shit,
lore
Chris.
drop okay. So you guys probably know him now because of dun sa Hey baby, yung mga yung mga GF update. Okay, si Thursday Project. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So, ayun, but I know him for MTG. Okay. Naglaro kami.
Damn, putang ina
Like,
nakilag.
honestly, I didn't know. Bago pa siya nag-Thursday Project, nagsumali na siya dito. So, parang, this is like recorded like many fucking weeks before. It's pretty good. He's pretty good. Okay, like, now, like, people would probably be cringe at it. Pero ako, knowing him, para I didn't even know he had it, you know? I didn't know he could turn off his social anxiety like that, bro.
Fuck.
Kasi he's a
Damn.
really cool dude in IRL. And
I
then,
could see
puta,
that.
nakita ko yung mga videos niya, like, what the fuck?
Tapos ganun din pala.
How did you do that, bro? How did you turn off your social anxiety like that? Anyways, this guy, yeah, he probably is autistic, bro. Okay?
You know,
he
I
probably
should
knows
ask-
it. He probably knows he's
I
autistic.
should
You know, he
ask
should
the
ask
same
him,
to
bro.
you. How do you turn off your social anxiety?
What do you mean? I have
What
social
the-
anxiety.
No, you
It's
don't.
always turned on.
You
I mean,
literally,
I do, bro. It's
you
always
literally
turned
just
on,
smile
bro.
and nod, okay? You just literally smile and nod every fucking
That
time.
is
you
that is my defensive mechanism, bro. You know, like there was one time there was this sweet old lady who was wearing all pink, and her dog was also wearing all pink. And then she just literally came up to me and she was like, "I like your hat," and I'm like, "What? I'm just literally wearing a fucking beanie." Ito. I was wearing this, and then di ko na alam kung sabihin ko. Yeah, thank you. Ganun. It's kind of like a scarf, innit? Sabi na niya, yeah. And then sabi ko na lang, wala na ako masabi sa kanya. I like your hat too. And then she went off. Like,
Maybe the lady likes you. Hmm?
maybe the lady likes me, bro. Chris is never beating the allegations.
What the-
What is this?
Oh shit, I think I know this shit.
What is this?
What a fucking nigga.
Ho!
Whoa!
Chris!
Whoa!
Chris, I told you, bro. We use the I word here.
I said the neighbor.
What a
My
fucking
I-
Indio, bro.
I said neighbor, man. What the fuck do you mean?
Nah, bro.
What the freak?
Icon? Ano
What
to?
the freak
What
icon?
Nice, bro.
Bro.
Valid
Bakit
sentiments, bro.
papalaki tayo.
Bro, kulang pa ba yan?
Kulang pa, boss?
May lalaki pa.
Why me?
Saan tayo kukuha kin ng pang ano dyan?
Ewan ko. Takabayo.
Oh, tanong ilang yan.
What's
shit,
this?
ano to? Oy, 200 likes. Oh.
Oy, what's this?
Bago pong sayo ni Ken, mga kaibigan.
Hey, Christmas party.
Ay, putang ina. Game, oh. Yan, oh. Para kang floor manager, oh. Oy, putang ina! Oh, shit! Damn, why you got a full send, bro? What the fuck, Ken? You always like... You always fucking edge people, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? You should full send all the time. Andyan ka na, you're doing it. Full fucking send, Ken. God damn.
Oh, may
Agree?
Natalo ako dyan sa Jenga, okay? Agree ako, agree.
Yeah,
I'll do it
natalo
next
ka.
time,
So you gotta fucking full send, man. People didn't pay for this shit na you're gonna grind them. Ay, you gotta edge them. Nah, bro. You gotta full send.
Oh, ba't nandiyan si Gian?
Bakit unang first ambag, last na rumaragas ang pumapaga tang ina mo hoy kapag tinorjak-torjak kita sa domain ko baka kapag pwede. What the fuck is this shit?
Where's the punchline, man? Tanga na. Nakalagay na
Back-
yung picture ni Gian dyan. Yun na yun.
Yun nga eh. Yun nga. Same lang rin yata to eh.
Ah, it's like someone...
Oo, yung picture mo.
What the fuck? Someone like commented here. Tapos puta pa nga yung mukha ko yun nandun. Bakit?
Mukhang yung ginamit.
Tara, no? Mga nakaw na memes sa internet.
Yan, same
It's
nga.
okay to block people, ignore people, unfriend, ipasok ang dito.
Unfriend Pilsad.
Tapos
Why?
yan.
What's going on here?
Yan rin yun eh.
Oo nga, yung ginamit niya yung
Yung picture mo.
Tara yun na ba yun? Nilagay yung niya sa loob ng Yakult.
Have you tried it, Chris?
Don't think
Don't tell me you actually
I
tried it.
probably have when I was a kid. Tanga na, ang sakit. Gago, nung tumigas.
Wow!
Actually, no. Actually, no.
First off,
Actually, no.
okay.
I wasn't a kid. I was in high school. Kasi kung bata pa ako, di magkakasya yan.
You're making it worse, Chris. You're making it worse. Okay?
Bro.
First off, all right. I'm
What
not gonna
the fuck?
question bakit mo pinasok yung junk mo sa loob ng Yakult. Okay? What I'm gonna question is bakit tumigas? Bakit siya tumigas, Chris? Can you explain?
Holy shit.
Bro.
What was happening?
I have no idea. It was just puberty, man. I was a teenager, okay?
Okay. Alright.
A hole is a
I'm
hole.
gonna say, okay, ano tawag doon, Khalil? Digital footprint na
Digital
ni
footprint ni Chris.
dito.
Yes. Digital footprint.
I can see this in the future.
Yes.
PR.
Yes.
Anyway, speaking of, ito si Chris nung pinasok niya yung kita niya sa Yakult at tumigas. There you go. That's him, bro, nung high school. Okay?
Laki naman. Laki naman. Utang era. Sana all. Tang ina, di na natural yan eh. May steroid yan eh.
Hindi mo na makascratch yung mo yung likod mo pag may ganyan ka. Ganito ka na, perpetually ganun ka na.
Papakataga na.
God damn, suhugas ka sa video. Hindi mo
What name are you doing?
I don't know.
Don't-
Chris Neal strikes again, bro.
Well. Sino ang nakastuck dito sa mga upuan na to?
Whoa!
Ang solid na yun.
Yummy!
Ang solid na pag...
What the fuck? The fuck, Chris?
Solid. Damn, bro. Strike 2 ka na, Chris, ha? Unang yung Yakult ngayon, eh. Putang ina.
Ay. Bading!
Bocchi the Fuck by Alvin Alarcon.
May every time naalala ko itong pick na to. Taka pag si Frieza yan.
Not gonna lie. Not
Tingnan
gonna
mo
lie.
kanina dyan.
Again, it's the best, bro.
Not gonna lie. Nung nakita ko si Neil kanina, yan kagad na-imagine ko. Nung nakita ko siya kanina sa
I swear to
airport.
God, he should cosplay
Hindi,
Frieza, bro.
immortalize ako.
Every time na nakikita ko.
Kalbo talaga dapat
Yun
siya.
nga.
Simula nito.
Kalbo dapat siya.
Eating 2-year expired ramen.
Nareactan mo na, what the hell?
Siyempre.
Yung cover na sinend dito, puta ka na, may natitira pa, expired na.
Also, I need to throw
Fine,
this
it's
out.
fine, okay. Yung mga expiration dates
throw
na
this
yan,
out.
those are fake. Okay, ano lang yan, parang, kumbaga, parang batching lang yan.
Hoy,
okay?
wag kang makinig
Pero
dyan,
it's not
okay?
really expired.
Baka kumain sila nung kung ano, tapos bumula yung bunganga nila.
Yung bula.
You can see 2018 tong noodles na lulutuin natin.
Damn.
Holy shit.
Damn, I can't believe I did this, bro. Who the fuck is this guy?
Taka na.
Itong init.
Taka na, nasa trabaho ata ako nung ginagawa mo yan eh.
Oh shit.
Kang ina, 20.
Do you still have that costume dyan?
Damn, yes.
Oh, nandun pa.
Holy shit.
Holy shit. Loko dati nung wala siyang social anxiety, oh.
Kaya mo pa rin gawin yan, Gian, yung handstand.
This big blow, bro.
No, bro, I probably die from a stroke if I do that.
1 year expired
Ay, Calorimate.
Calorimate block.
Dude, naalala ko pa rin yung lasa niya. Ang sarap gago.
I know how it tastes like. So I know if it's
So,
really
binigay mo
bad
rin
or
sa
not.
akin yan eh. Expire, pinakain mo sa akin eh.
Nah, you asked for it, you bitch. You said, oh, expired na tayo. And then you were like, sige. Ay, not bad. Not bad, bro.
Holy
You can
shit.
survive with that shit.
Meron siya Shopee niyan, yung Calorie-Mate. Shopee
Calorie
siya.
mate?
Oo.
Damn. Holy shit.
Mahal nga lang. Yun,
Magkano?
parang 1,000, no, Chris?
Putang na 1,000.
Ewan ko lang, ano yun ang huli kong kita eh. Yung mga siguro 600 to 1,000, maybe.
Goddamn. What the fuck?
Putang ina mo, Ken. Nandito ka
Nakita
pala.
ako.
I didn't see that, bro. I love the energy of this fucking...
Ito yung Thailand niya?
Hindi. Tangin na pangalan ng album, Pintay Laklaw.
Ito ba yung Thailand niya?
What the fuck? Ano yung sinabi ni Pedro? Kenneth, tinurbo na ang likod ni John. Ay, what the fuck, man?
Normal.
Tangina mo, Pedro.
Oh my God.
Oh shit.
Kami pa si Pedro Gaga.
Oh my God. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Wow! Nag-iba ng kulay, nag-white lahat.
Tangina. It was kinda close. It kinda close sa mga katawan nyo, except ako. Nag-buff tuloy ako, Gaga. Tayo nakuha nila yung utong mo, Kalilo.
Oo nga eh.
Ayan. It's amazing,
I can
bro.
see my fucking nipples, bro.
I actually thought it was real, bro. Man, AI is scary now, bro. Holy shit.
Yes, fucking scary
Kung
na, bro.
kuwing ka
Damn,
to.
look at Nash, bro. Nash about to fucking do unspeakable things to me, bro. Holy shit, I can't believe it. Man. Get it. Okay, may follow-up.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Damn, Kalil.
Nakahuli ka ni Chris si John.
Tang inang AI stuff.
Ina nito. What the
I'm
fuck,
gonna make
bro?
a new rule. I'm gonna fucking make. I'm gonna make a new rule.
Hindi ko yan, Gaga.
I'm gonna make a new rule dito sa
There are no rules, guys.
sa Universe
What rule?
sa
No
Universe
rule.
slap. Pag nakasap niya yung slap nyo, makita namin bad kayo sa amin. Putang yan.
Chris, mawawalan na ng ano, mawawalan tayo ng react na, no?
Wala tayo sa submission,
Like, what?
okay?
Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
Damn, Ken. Damn, Ken.
You look like a buff pita
Ano
here,
ba yan?
bro.
Gamunus, Kenus.
Damn, Ken.
Ito si Pita sa...
Tanga na face to, eh.
ano, sa...
Damn, Ken. Tangina kahit pag bumata ka pala, puputi ka.
Taguro.
Taguro.
Charger na yung skin guy.
Damn,
Oh,
Ken.
Shit, time, Ken.
Tangin na, naging Anthony si Ken eh.
Okay, next.
Si Nilo.
Sinil.
Si Nilo.
Please hesitate to one time.
Si Nilo.
It's everywhere, bro.
Oh my
Tingnan mo
God.
yun,
bro.
tingnan mo yung comments ng picture niya. Baka nandyan, baka pinos yung mukha ni Trinal dyan eh.
Ano natin.
Wala.
Mermaid looks
Wala,
like it's
wala,
about to invade Venezuela, bro. Kasi carrot skin.
Wala.
Thank God.
Ano to?
What?
Dali lang po.
Ay,
Wala
takita
pa
ko
rin
to.
panalo sa Poltergeist siguro ako.
Wala
Oh!
akong wins of
What?
bro.
No way, bro. Ang
Hindi, wala ka pa panalo, bro.
putang ina. Ay, seryoso?
Yeah, wala pa ganyan.
Wala pa rin, wala pa rin.
Wala ka
Wala pa.
panalo.
Oh,
Wala ka
shit.
panalo sa...
Alam na ang gagawin.
Volga.
Wait, ako yung wala pang panalo. Pero kayo meron na.
Yes. Ako yata wala pa. Ako wala pa. Ati ko wala pa.
Dude,
ako.
is Fall
I
Guys
think-
even a
I think so.
thing? Is it still a thing?
I don't know, bro.
Nag-comment na pala ako dito. Oh my God, may dementia, bro. May dementia, bro. Nag-comment na pala ako dito. Angry ko tagaga. Angry ko sarili kong ano. Tingnan natin.
Hindi
Baka,
na
you know,
malalaman.
maybe we'll play Fall Guys again. Tingnan natin. Who knows, bro? We'll see, we'll see.
Who knows?
After ng Pasko at New Year, mga tao. Uy, 300 likes.
Yan na.
Yes, bakit go?
Recording.
Ako nga po pala si Bulbulito.
Ako nga po pala si Trinil. Dating malaki ang puwet, ngayon malaki na agad. No!
Ngayon ba rin na chan?
Why you doing like
What the fuck?
I didn't know we had a bit like that. Damn, I didn't know we had a bit like that,
Oh
bro.
my
Like,
God.
oh shit, may dementia, bro.
Oh my God.
See, this is what happens when you lock in, bro.
Oh my God.
Paano naman ang pinagsasabi? Bring back this John, bro.
Ito. Pag na-shoot ko. Ito mukha niya.
Ano? Hindi ko naman sinuha.
Immortalize ka talaga, boss.
Honestly, I don't know why Neil isn't using this as a fucking profile picture.
Yun nga eh.
Profile picture, oh, yes.
Should, he actually should, bro. I would. Unang alag, bro. Neil nagpaputok. Kapitbahay
Unang
ni Neil.
lapag.
Actually, you know what? Pinapanood namin ni Deng Shan tong vlog na to. Sabi ko, putang ina, hindi ba magre-reklamo yung mga neighbors? Literally, the fountain was
Ang lakas
going
niya.
over their freaking houses, man. Kulang na lang
Ang
masunog
tabawad.
na yun. Itong ano, yung puno dyan. Puta, masusunog yan.
Yung puno.
Alam mo, masaya lang ako. Kita mo yan, yung jeep na yan, yung owner type dyan. Sabi ko, putang ina, sana linapit pa ni Neil para nasunog na yun para mawala. Tangina kasi ayaw tanggalin yung hayop na owner type na yun dyan. Isang semana na, isang ano na yan, isang dekada na yata yun, naka-park dyan eh.
Oo.
Bro.
Naalala ko nga eh.
Neil had that one chance and he wasted it, bro. Next year ulit.
What are you...
Ano mo nang gagawin mo nila?
Naalala ko nga, Gian eh, nung first time natin tinignan yung bahay, nandyan na yung jeep niya.
Di ba?
Oo.
This fucking thing is has been there for like ages, makita niya sa mga vlogs niya. Hello, si Kuya Triley nagpost ng PR merch pero di naglagay ng link.
Ayun.
Tanga!
Doon tayo nadali.
Ina mo nila, yan tinumbong ka na.
Doon ka nadali, boss.
Kaya wala kang bumibili. Tayo na, lapag-lapag ka ng hindi ka na mag-ano ng link. Loko-loko.
Bobo.
Tanong nga rin eh.
Oh shit!
Ano
Ano daw makakabili?
Slightly. Do you have this shirt, Chris? Can you show us?
That is actually AI. Wait lang. Nasa malibagan niya yun. Hanapin.
What the
slightly gay.
fuck is that?
Tune up on Christmas, bro.
May comment.
Yeah.
Ito yung original, oh.
What is that?
Oh, damn.
What is that?
Most-
likely.
So what is it? Is this AI,
Yeah,
Chris?
it's AI, yeah.
Kaya na reklamo ka sa AI stuff, gumagamit ka rin.
Hindi ako yan!
Ito!
Hindi ako yan!
Sino to? Sino to?
Pinay niya yung post na yan, okay? Tingnan mo yung original post. Tingnan mo yung original post sa akin, sa aking Facebook.
Ito ba yung original post? Ayun ba yung original post? No! Ano na original?
Punta ka sa Facebook.
Yung comment yung the best one. What the fuck, man?
Oh my.
That's how you use AI, bro. Look at that shit.
Tingnan mo.
Nakadila sa'yo isang mata ni Nilo.
Punta ka sa
God,
Facebook
bro.
post ko, okay?
Wait, you know what's fucked up? I honestly think Neil owns a shirt like this. Ito.
Meron nga, di ba?
I think I've seen him wear a fucking shirt
He
like
did.
this.
Meron, di ba?
He did?
Meron.
Putang ina, paano niya nalagay dito yung sarili niya?
It's AI, bro. It's AI, bro.
Yeah, scary.
AI, bro. The power of AI.
Ang ina kayo nagmamahal yung RAM prices eh. Putang ina niyo eh.
Ito yung problema.
Kada gumagawa kayo
Here is
ganito.
the problem. Parang nawala na yung sense, yung parang, I have a photographic evidence of this. It's gone now because of this fucking bullshit.
Wala na. Kailangan na ng video evidence.
Digital footprint. Oh, what's this?
Kita mo na to. I love this.
Whoa, what the fuck is this shit?
Talaga na-involve nila ako
Yeah,
kahit
it's-
paano eh. Putang ina.
It's just a vibe, bro.
Sumasayaw kayo lahat.
Involved ka pa sa gitna.
Inang yan. Kaya mo ulit gawin yan, Ken?
Probably.
Like ko to.
Tingnan mo yung comments.
Okay, no. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New
Ano sa
Year.
taas?
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Tingnan mo yung sa taas.
Fuck, it's Santa.
Just Santa humping the fucking gate.
Santa
Baba.
Happy New Year. Ano ba? There's nothing
What the
else.
fuck is that you?
Tingnan mo,
What do you
comment
wanna
yan,
see?
Fucking may nakita ko dyan last time eh.
Anong dyan?
Ito ba yung gusto mo? Yan ba yung nakita mo? Ha?
Ito ba yung gusto mo? Yan pala
Ano
yung
gusto
gusto
mo,
mo eh.
Chris? Yan pala yung gusto mo makita eh.
Kaya pala gusto mo makita eh.
Ang ina, kanina ka pa sa AI na yun ha. Ang
Yeah, bro.
ina yan. Putang inang yan. Are you all gay for Arce? You kayong mga
What
ano?
the fuck is guys?
Si Gatos pala to eh.
Tigatus. Sino to? Tigatus.
Sino ba yan?
It's the adult thing.
Ba't kilala mo yan, Khalil? Demo. Are you a fan?
Ewan ko, lagi.
Putang ina.
Tinanong ko yan sa chat ko one
Who
time
is it?
sino sa Gatos eh. Nasa adult industry raw.
Wow!
Okay,
What do you-
Khalil.
Tinanong ko.
Okay, Khalil. Whatever.
Chat,
Yeah, of
I
course
asked chat, bro. When I was live.
Sure, Khalil. Sure,
No,
Khalil.
Damn it,
bro.
man.
Sure, Khalil.
Sure, bro.
Sure, Khalil.
Damn it,
bro.
man.
You gotta believe that, okay?
Ano to? Ay, putang ina. PR House. Ano to? OG.
OG
gago.
niya yan.
Natin bodega
OG
natin.
yun.
Ulol gago, di TikTok to, gago. Gago. Hindi TikTok to.
Damn. Si John nung wala siyang social anxiety, bro. Bring it back, John.
Bring it back.
Bring it back, John. If we die, we're dead. So stay alive so we're not dead. Tama.
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 Kami, wow ko to. Wow na ako yan.
Sinabi niya yun?
Sa ano?
Sinabi niya yun.
Sinabi
niya yun.
Don't scream, don't scream, don't scream. Uy,
Chris,
what's
pag
this?
nasobra na sa femboy allegations.
Bakla, bading, badas, Becky, putang ina mo ka! Pag di mo ako tinigil-tigilan sa kaka-gay jokes mo, chuchupain kita!
Kinda knew it, bro.
Bakla, bading, badas, Becky, putang ina mo
Hoy,
ka!
stop!
Pag
What
di
the
mo
hell
ako
is happening?
tinigil-tigilan
What
sa
the hell?
Oh no,
kaka-gay jokes mo,
nag-loop siya.
chuchupain kita!
Oh no, I need to... It's looping. I don't know where to put it. Oh no, it's gone.
Becky,
Where is it?
putang ina
Oh,
mo
kailangan natin
Pag di mo ako
ma-counter.
tinigil-tigilan sa kaka-gay
Ace,
jokes mo,
protect us, Ace. Ace, protect us, Ace.
Nice one, Ace. Nice one, Ace.
Protect tayo ni Ace, gago. Okay.
Tutaka na ba't si
Oh,
Rice
shit.
naka-react dyan? Tangina mo, Royce!
Ay, si Royce, ito mo comment. Check mo comments, check mo
Ang
comments.
hilig mo. Ang hilig talaga ni Royce dito. Putang ano.
Chris Blow 09. Boss
Blows,
Khalil,
bro.
I volunteer, bro.
What the hell?
Legit yan.
Legit yan!
Group expert pala si Royce.
Gusto ko yan.
Sige
What
na.
the fuck is shit? Ayan. Kadiri kayo.
Uy, what's this?
Oh, ano to? Ano to?
Ah,
Oh, see?
fuck, ano-
See, you should full send it like this, bro.
I full send that shit, oh.
See? Damn, bro. You should keep on full sending, bro. Samiri inalabang.
Pinoy.
Damn!
Nice.
May comp shop. May comp shop pala kayo.
Casino na yan, gago. Casino na yan. Pag pumasok ka dyan, puro man. Ano yun? Bisionet?
Vision
Nakita
net.
niyo yung mga post yung Bisionet? Gago, nakita niyo yung mga post na yun?
Oh, nakita ko.
Repost
Ako
ko yun,
nakita ko,
gago.
nakita ko. Isa
Oh,
yan.
tangina yan. Tanga na may 7 Dragon Ball siya eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Mga nagbibisyo ng mga uncles.
Oh my God! Ayaw makita yan.
Khalil, what the fuck was
Putang
that?
ina, Q, Khalil. Nice one,
Khalil, ano yun Khalil? Khalil, what is
Dempsey roll
that?
ka pala.
Bro.
Uy, tangina, Dempsey roll.
Bro, nung may nag-donate.
Damn, Khalil.
Dempsey roll, the iconic.
Wait, oh my
Putang
God!
ina.
Nag-donate naman! May nag-donate kasi na 1.5 eh.
Oh, ito. Tangina.
Fuck you, bro! I don't wanna see this shit!
Oy!
Paldo pala.
Tangina, full send.
Putang
ina. Full send.
Ano mo?
Moves ka na, Bryce.
Oh.
Tayo naman, Kiko!
Oh my God. Damn, look at that ass, bro.
That's a move,
Holy
bro.
shit.
Damn,
Yummy.
bro.
I got paid,
Heart
man.
rock ko talaga. Heart rock ko talaga.
Puta, I would do the same, bro.
I would do the
That's
same,
1.5,
bro.
puta, I would do the same, bro.
Hoy! Putang ina na all. Uy, kinera ko na pala. Okay, Dementia.
Ba't ang mahal niyan?
Sinami daw.
May nakita ko niyan eh.
Magkano?
May nakita ko nung sa may Mawa yata. Nakalimutan ko eh. Basta Mawa yata yun, parang may bazaar. Tapos 800, 900.
Okay na yun. Tangina, this is top quality shit, bro. Like, come on, bro.
Oh, sige. Support. Pag nakita ulit next time.
Support hata-hata, bro. Hata-hata, number 1, bro.
Meron pa ba
Magkano
yan?
siya shopping ngayon?
Meron pa ba
Ay,
niyan?
nasa Shopee siya, oh. Magkano siya shopping ngayon? 500 lang!
Oh,
Putang ina.
yung nakita ko 800, 900.
Ayol. Oh my God. Gago. Sino man nagbenta nun ng 900? Grabe.
Nakita ko yun eh, parang Mawa yata. Oh, reseller.
Add to cart niya. Okay. Add to cart now.
Sige.
PRMTG proxy cards. Oh yeah, did we watch this already?
Yung para to.
Oh shit. Tingnan natin.
Oh, damn!
Oh damn!
Oh, damn!
Putang ina, forma nung kay Chris Gago.
Gabi
Commander eh.
Chris
No, you
Gago.
see me, bro. Honestly, I want that. It's an instant card.
Yangas
Costs
ka.
only 1 blue. Holy shit.
Ganda
That's good.
gagi.
And 1 white.
Ganda ng proxy niya.
Good ass proxy, bro.
Damn.
Yes, man.
Damn, Daniel!
I don't like the music. Epic confrontation. Because 1 colorless and a green. Nice. Saka may logo pa ng PR sa ano.
Ayun,
yung
nga,
set niya.
Galing.
The PR set, bro.
May logo pa nga.
It's actually pretty good.
Love the detail, bro.
Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko makita yung kay Chris. Sino yun?
Uy,
Chris Tiger Commando.
nakahalo pa. Oh. Nakahalo pa yun.
Nakahalo pa.
Vigilance. Other soldiers you
Tingnan
control
yan.
have vigilance. Ano to? Si Kaiser ba to? Is it?
I don't know.
Until the
Ano?
end of third soldiers you control again, whenever this case attack, it deals 1 damage to the defending player. What the fuck? Sino to?
Goddamn, bro.
Damn,
It's like a
Chris.
pretty solid commander, man.
Ganda oh.
Ang ganda na eh. Bakit ang hilig ng mga artist na may itim sa thumb nila? Ano yan? Pang ano yun?
Vanilla,
Vanilla
bro.
the RC, bro. Vanilla
May holo
the
pa
Ace.
isa.
Ganda.
Vanilla the Ace. Holo and non-holo. Ano, solid.
Ganda.
Bilhin mo na.
That's it, bro. Bili na.
Bili na kayo.
Proxy.
Oy, linay ka na.
Uy, si Chris.
Wow, Chris. Tangin na.
Triple
Triple
B's.
B's. Bobo. Bida-bida.
Wow.
Bisaya. Ay, katagago. Okay, I think
I think yun na yun.
That's it.
I think we're good. Anything else?
Very good, bro.
Ito,
Yan,
nakita ko na
nareactan natin yan. Nareactan
Okay
yan.
na to. Okay na to. Alright.
we're
Okay.
good.
I think we are good. Okay, ano to?
Shit, we're done.
Nakita mo na ba yun?
Di pa to gago. Hindi ko pa na-like eh.
Bro!
Nakita ko na to, gago. Nakita ko na to last.
Bro!
Kirang ina.
Yeah, I saw this last time.
Ang re-reacts ka to gago. Yan.
What?
Nasaan ang PXP?
We
Wala na.
Nasaan?
Wala na!
Wala na.
What the
Tama.
fuck is that
Wala
place, bro?
na!
That's me.
Wala
When I was...
na gago.
Wala na!
This
Wala na.
podcast, it has to go. Pintuan ka ma-update to. Mabilisan na lang. Ito, like, Sask, bro. Okay, unang lapag. Ang daming mga unang lapag.
Ken
Okay,
Bayola.
Yun na yun!
Like
Stop,
you
stop
said,
scrolling!
Ken
Bro!
Bayola. Okay, good stuff.
What the
Alright.
What the fuck?
Good shit, bro. Okay na. Outro mo na,
Outro
Ken.
mo na.
Putang ina mo.
Anyways guys, that is it for this episode. Post na ulit kayo ng bago sa PR UD Posting Official Plus Plus. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa videos namin.
Tama.
Tama. That is tama,
thank you
bro.
ulit sa
Sorry sa
mga
delay.
patrons namin. Thank you so much.
Okay, tayo mga
Sorry sa
Patreon.
delay
Woo,
din.
let's
Sorry.
go.
Thank you, Patreons.
There you go.
Dito. Meron dito.
Yes, let's go. Okay. Sorry, next time buo na kami, okay? Buo na
Yes.
kami. Sasama na
Yes.
si John. Sasama na si John. Sasama na si John. Okay.
Manila, si Neil.
Ha?
Ay, hindi, wala pala si Neil. Matagal pala makalayo. PR pa ba yun?
Hindi na yata.
Sabi ko na, kompleto na tayo
The
next
next
time. May
episode.
sasali si John eh. Ba't nang sinabi si Neil?
Oy, mga magpo-post,
Okay,
galingan nyo
next
naman.
time, guys. Pag ginagalit si Kalil, ah.
Yung mga nagpo-post, galingan nyo naman. Hindi, de-decline ko yan. Tama.
Tama.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Let's go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye guys.